This is Ryan with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission, and today we're going to go over how to replace a prop. So there's a cotter pin with a castle nut that holds the prop onto the splines. What we want to do is remove that cotter pin. You untwist, remember lefty-loosey, take the castle nut off the splines. It shouldn't be very tight. Once that comes off, then typically there's a bushing in there that matches the splines as well. So pull that out, inspect it, inspect the castle nut, make sure all the threads are good. Then you can pull the prop right off the splines. Take a look and inspect the splines, make sure that there is grease and lubrication on them, and make sure that nothing looks damaged. Then we just slide the new prop back on. Then we put the bushing back in place and spin the castle nut back on, righty-tighty, and go ahead and make it just hand tight. And so we slide the cotter pin in, bend that back into position, and we're good to go. This has been Ryan with the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission.